Hello everyone, welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Cloud IoT and Machine Learning on Arduino Nano RP2040 Connect. So guys, in the last 2-3 lessons you saw how I was troubleshooting MicroPython firmware loading into the Nano chip, right? And then we were trying to debug using the MU IDE, which was not detecting the board unfortunately. And then we found out that the Arduino IDE itself is not detecting, right? And the board itself is not booting up, it's not getting detected. So I showed you how to troubleshoot with the ground and RES pin connected with the jumper pin using a breadboard, and then how to reboot it, right? So you are able to do that. So those are some of the basic troubleshooting tips I can give you. Now, wonderful part is we are going to continue to use Arduino IDE for a while, because I found a bug in CircuitPython firmware itself. It's going to take a while to debug and troubleshoot the entire thing so that I can make a very smooth and flawless lessons for you guys to troubleshoot those firmwares and put it properly. In the meantime, we will continue using Arduino IDE and C++ code and continue to build some projects. So what we will do is, in this particular lesson I will show you how to build a rainbow LED. That means our Nano RP2040 has got an inbuilt RGB LED, right? There are two LEDs, one is a standard one is the RGB LED. How do we make it to glow in multiple colors? Many of you, when you bought your Nano board, Nano RP2040 board, the first time when you boot, first time when you connect, it creates multiple colors, beautiful rainbow kind of colors, right? But after that, when you start programming, it vanishes. It becomes a standard red and the red color LED. How do we bring it back? So I'm going to show you a code. You can take that code from my GitHub and use that code. It's written on C++. It works in using Arduino IDE. Once we load that code, you are able to change the colors of the inbuilt RGB to multiple colors. I'm going to show it to you right now. Just take a look at it, guys. So I'm going to move to my desktop screen so that I can share my IDE. Right, I hope you guys can see my IDE. All right, cool. Now let's go to GitHub, my account. Go to my account. This is the link, you can see it below this video. If you go to my GitHub account, go to rainbowled.ino, right? If you click on that, you will find this code. You need to go to raw, click raw. Once you click raw, Control A, press Control A, then you can right click, copy, and then come back to the IDE. You can delete these two standard bare minimum code and Control V. All right, once you paste it, and then this code is pretty simple, guys. I mean, if you are from C++ background, C++ Arduino background, you will understand what I tried to do exactly using the inbuilt Wi-Fi Nina library, and then I was able to do some magical stuff which you guys can straight away copy. Now go ahead and select the board, Arduino Nano RP2040 Connect, and go to tools again, select the COM port, COM7. Let me load this code. Okay, you need to save this. Let me just save it on my desktop somewhere. You can save it and upload this code. It's going to take a while because this board has gone through multiple iterations of firmware writing up and down. MicroPython firmware you guys saw in the couple of lessons before, right? So it will probably take some few minutes to accept the C++ code from Arduino IDE, but it should work. It's compiling still. still compiling. It also depends upon what kind of computer you use, guys. If you are using i7 and about 8 GB RAM, that's going to work pretty fast. My computer is a little slow. I've been using little older version i5 core and 4 GB RAM version, so probably I need an upgrade. I'm planning to just go ahead with Jetson NX module, and then use Linux machine once for all instead of Windows, just like a desktop. It's compiling still. I don't see any error, so that means it's good news. There you go, it's uploading, so there is no error. Happy little window opened up. Fantastic. I'm going to show you. I can see multiple colors next to me. I hope you guys can see it. There you go. Fantastic, guys. Can you see the colors being changed here in this particular LED? I'll just bring it a little closer. Right? Wow, green, blue, purple, orange, green, light green, blue. My god, it's amazing. It's beautiful. Can you see it? Perfect. So you can also extend this LED through all the GPIO pins and connect the RGB strip, and we can do lots of other projects as well. We can control that through the cloud IoT, which I showed you a couple of lessons before, right? Anyways, okay, so what we will do, guys, going forward, I will try to build a couple of IoT projects with sensors and RGB LEDs and stuff like that. We will try to connect some display and try to capture some weather information and stuff. Those are the projects we can keep building, and you had seen loads of those projects in my channel. I had built using ESP32 and Arduino Mega, Jetson Nano and Raspberry Pico and so many things. But let's unleash the power of Nano RP2040, which has got an inbuilt Wi-Fi and IMU and multiple other sensors, including microphone. So we will do that one by one as you have seen all the basics. So let's try to build some complex program, and if you have any ideas with some kind of different projects, do get back to me. We will build it together. I will see you soon. Goodbye.